What up guys? Yeah, this is the first clip of the day because you know I'm super tired yesterday, driving all day, dancing all night. And yes, this is sent off for Mr. Roel because he will go on vacation for 4 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So we will just have a simple dinner and yeah, have some fun and yeah, say our prayers to him for a safe trip. I enjoyed the party last night, and almost 1:30 na kami nakauwi. Ako pala, almost 1:30 na ako nakadating dito sa bahay. So yeah, let's go. Daan muna ang Panda because bibili ako ng ice cream. Yeah, what you cooking? Bakit? What happened? Nakalimutan yung gatas ni Chloe. Patay. Hello, Chloe. Chloe! Tuwan-tuwa na naman yung bata. Yeah! Adobo ni Jeff na may pineapple. May pineapple yan. Wow!
Kasi guys, kastupin.
So yes guys, I'm home and yun nga, dinner lang kami. Have a safe flight, Mr. Roel. Shout out, ito mga shout outs kay Kyla and Graciel Karaan. Hi. Ayan, mga super supportive na mga ates, little sisters, little ates na lagi nanonood ng mga videos ko. And yeah, thank you sa pag-like, pagko-comment and pag-like at panonood ng aking videos. Yeah. So, tsaka tagal na itong shoutout na to ngayon ko na shoutout. And kay Sweet Beautiness, yeah. Hello, lagi din nagko-comment. Thank you. Kay Melissa Ventura, yan, from Chaong, Quezon, yan. Ano yan, kakilala ni Roel. Napanood niya yung video namin na nagsasayaw kami. Sabi ni Ate Melissa, parang kilala ko yung yan, yung maitim na yan. Ganyan, tapos si Roel nga, ayun. Tsaka kay Sherlyn Takay na lagi nagla-like sa FB and all of it. So yeah, thank you guys. And that's all. What up guys? Actually, this already Sunday. Have a blessed, I hope you had a blessed Sunday all. And because I'm too lazy today and too tired at work, it's already 8 o'clock p.m. And what the... Actually, I will shoot a collaboration video. This is for a Christmas collaboration of the Filipino vloggers. So, chill out and wait for it, guys. And yeah, I will shoot now, and I hope this will be a successful collaboration. So yeah, I'm done recording. Grabe, ang pangit ng boses ko talaga ever. Tsaka tayo, guys. Actually, yeah, wala lang, kanya-kanyang trip lang na yan. Ewan ko, sana makapag-recording na din yung iba at nang ma-edit natin to ng mahusay at nang maipalabas natin sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong mundo ang natatagong talento ng mga mamamayang Pilipinong YouTubers, beauty man, vloggers, and kung simpleng mamamayan man lang at fans at viewers at subscribers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta. At sana po abangan nyo po ang darating na album namin sa araw ng Pasko by Galing Records. Thumbs up for that, and we'll see you guys. Sana buy in the iTunes. Abangan yan, lalabas sa iTunes. Then the music video, the official music video will be out December 16. Yeah, right, December 16. Get your calendars now and take it down, yo. Put it on your alarm clock. So yeah, December 16 this will be out, and hopefully we will see what will happen. Okay, so stay tuned guys, and have a nice day, and see you guys when I see you. No, actually tapos bukas may pasok na naman. Yeah, pasok, sweldo, pera, yeah, party, luho. Ay, wala. Alam niyo naman guys, hindi ako maluho. Cheers. Actually, dadaldalin ko lang ngayon ng dadaldalin ngayon kasi wala naman akong iba vlog ngayon araw na to kasi tamad ako. Manonood ako mamaya Ninja Turtles. Tsaka tapos yung Walking Dead, grabe. Ayun. Cheers! Daldal mode lang and yeah, party! Actually, may hangover pa ako and nalulungkot pa din ako kasi may ticket na yung pinapormahan ko. Wow, kaya ako naglalasing ngayon sa tiya. May pinagdadaanan pala. Brad, may pinagdadaanan ako, Brad. Hindi, yun nga. Hindi, masaya ako para sa kanya, sabi ko. Kaya kasi sinulit ko na din yung mga araw na pwede kami magkita at pwede kami magkasama and ma-enjoy yung isa't isa. Ako lang pala nag-e-enjoy. So, yun. Yeah. 25 is the date. Hindi nga siya makapagpasko sa Christmas, sa era siya magpapasko. So medyo masaklap, pero sabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya sa mama niya, ipagtabi na lang siya ng pagkain para pagdating niya, Pasko pa din. Kasi 26 yung dating niya ng Philippines. So yeah, goodbye and thank you, Miss Ken, and see you when I see you. So yun, cheers guys. Cheers. Wala kasing alak dito. Kung may alak dito, kanina pa ako kaya doors guys, sadya na kaya doors. Buhay pinasang wala. So yun lang guys. Chill mode today and I don't know what will happen tomorrow. Regular day, weekday. Po ko na mga okay, bye-bye na. Tsaka, thank you kay Carla Kakan kasi sa suggestion niya. Kasi nag-kausap kami sa comments kanina. Yeah. Pero sinat-out ko na siya kahapon. Yun nga, ngayon nyo lang mapapanood kasi pagsasamahin ko tong clip na to. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Stay smile. Fake smile. Fake